Are you looking for the factory sales.com reviews? You must be thinking, that's such a huge discount on Lowe's products, is it real? Friends, you are thinking right, heavy discount often leads to scams. Look at the Lowes.com, they are promoting 20 to 40% off on their products at the first page of the website. If they are having some clearance sales going on, they must have promoted on the first page of their website, Lowes.com. Or they may have gone for Facebook post promotion. They have 4,665,377 followers on the Facebook page. But there is nothing about clearance sale. Why would they create another website, effectorsales.com? Well, this one was created on 16 June 2022. It is a new website. As the contact us details, they have used Palatka Lowe's store number 1820 contact details. Well, we are counting this website effectorsales.com as a possible scam website. We will suggest to avoid this website, rest is your choice, after all, it is your money. But, we will still say, remember, heavy discount often leads to scams.